Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Gold next week's key macroeconomic events to keep an eye on. ntvforex.com news ID 7A08282 2 minutes ago by Aaron Seng-Ezer. The troy ounce of the precious metal closed the week in the negative territory for the first time since early June and lost nearly $90 to $1,944. An overdue technical correction, profit-taking and relatively upbeat market mood made it difficult for gold to extend its rally. NBSP coming up next week. The first half of the week will be relatively eventless. Japan will release its second quarter gross domestic product (GDP) and industrial production data on Monday. A more severe contraction in Japan's economic activity than expected could cause investors to stay cautious and help gold gather strength. On Wednesday, the FOMC will release the minutes of its July meeting. During the press conference, FOMC Chairman Jerome Powell refrained from making any changes to the forward guidance or the near-term policy outlook. The Fed is largely expected to wait until it finishes its policy review in September before deciding on its next move. On Thursday, weekly initial jobless claims data from the U.S. will be watched closely by the market participants. The latest report published by the U.S. Department of Labor showed that there were 963,000 applications for unemployment benefits, first reading below 1 million since March. If this number continues to decline, it could have a positive impact on market sentiment and hurt the demand for the safe haven gold. NBSP on Friday, the IHS market will release its preliminary manufacturing and services PMI data for Germany, the Euro area and the United States. Investors expect economic activity in the U.S. manufacturing sector to continue to expand in August. However, if the PMI drops below amid the resurgence of the coronavirus and shows a contraction, it could trigger a fresh wave of flight to safety and provide a boost to the precious metal. Economic calendar. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.